Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, in this video I am going to show you how to fix WhatsApp call not showing in Android. So guys, when then you receive video or audio call on WhatsApp and your WhatsApp calls is not showing on your mobile home screen, how to fix this problem? So guys, you can easily, so let's start without wasting any time. So simply, first of all, you need to open your mobile phone settings and scroll down. Now tap on your mobile phone apps. Tap on search bar and search WhatsApp app. Now tap on WhatsApp. Scroll down. Now tap on notification. After this, you need to turn on show notification and go back. So guys, now tap on your WhatsApp app. Tap on right corner three lines. Now tap on settings and tap on notification and scroll down. Now tap on pop-up notification and select allow show pop-up and go back. When you have received any WhatsApp video or audio calls, after doing this your problem will be fixed. Hope you like this video. So guys, if you like the video, please do subscribe, comments and share. Thank you.